Dear kids, let us start chapter 1 and the name of the chapter is my body my body. Everybody is having a body now, and in the body there are many parts. There are different parts. My body has many parts. My body has many parts. My means मेरी, ओके तो मेरी बॉडी में हैज़ मैनी मीन्स बहुत सारे पार्ट्स. हमारे जो बॉडी में है वो बहुत सारे पार्ट्स है ना. EACH ईच, PART पार्ट, HAS हैज़, ITS इट्स, OWN ओन, FUNCTION फंक्शन. Each part has its own function. Okay, dear kids, as you know that each means जो हर एक पार्ट आपका होता है, बॉडी पार्ट होता है, उसके अलग अलग क्या होते हैं फंक्शन, उसके अलग अलग वर्क होते हैं. हर बॉडी पार्ट अलग अलग वर्क करता है. लाइक ईयर्स का क्या होता है उसका फंक्शन, ईयर से हम जैसे हियर करते हैं लाइक दिस. THE the, BODY body, PARTS parts, WHICH which, CAN can, BEB, SWN seen, FROM from, OUT out, SID is side. जो थोड़ी लॉन्ग स्पेलिंग्स होती हैं यू कैन ब्रेक इनटू 2 पीसेस लाइक OUT out, SID is side, and now it become outside. ARER, CALLED called, EXTERNAL external, BODY body, PARTS parts, AND and, WHICH which, CAN can, NOT not. This is also big spelling, so break it into 2 pieces. CAN can, NOT not, cannot. BEB, SWEN seen, FROM from, OUT out, SID is side, outside. ARER, CALLED called, INTERNAL internal. What is the word? INTERNAL internal, BODY body, PARTS parts. Okay, now let us explain the body parts which can be seen from outside are called external body parts. जो पार्ट्स हमारे होते हैं, पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी होते हैं ना, जिसमें हमें विच वी कैन सी फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, जो कि हम बेटा बाहर से देख सकते हैं, डेट आर कॉल्ड एक्सटर्नल. एक्सटर्नल मीन्स जिनको हम देख सकते हैं, जो बाहर से हमें विजिबल होते हैं, that are called external parts. like head को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं ना. like eyes, nose, lips, ये हमें दिखाई देते हैं ना आउटसाइड से. so these are the external parts and which cannot be seen from outside. जो हमें आउटसाइड मीन्स बाहर से, कैन नॉट मीन्स नहीं, सीन मीन्स दिखते हैं, जो हमें बाहर से नहीं दिखते हैं, कॉल्ड उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट. इंटरनल बॉडी पार्ट जो हमको बाहर से नहीं दिखाई देते हैं, लाइक आवर लंग्स, किडनी, दीज आर आवर इंटरनल पार्ट्स. इन दिस चैप्टर यू विल ओनली लर्न अबाउट द एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स. आप इस चैप्टर में बेटा अभी सिर्फ एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स ही रीड करोगे. जो इंटरनल पार्ट्स हैं that will come later on. Okay, THE the, FIGURE figure, GIVEN given, BELOW below, SEXTERNAL external, PARTS parts, OF off, OUR our, BODY body. The figure given below shows external parts of our body. This is the figure given ना, ये आपको फिगर गिवन है, पिक्चर गिवन है, और इसमें आपको क्या शो किया गया है? द फिगर शोज एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स. दीज आर द नेम्स ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स लाइक हेड, आईब्रोज, आई. दीज आर द नेम्स ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल पार्ट्स. मैच देयर, MATCH मैच, THEIR there, NAME name, WITH with, ARROWS arrows. Match their names with arrows. आपको जो है इनके नेम को इनके बॉडी पार्ट से आप एरोज के साथ में आपको मैच करना है. सी स्मॉल एरोज आर देयर. ओके, फर्स्ट वन इज, दिस इज head. This is head. Where is the head? You will match like this beta. This is head and put the arrows like this. Head. Next one is eyebrow. Where is the eyebrow? These are the eyebrows ना, ये eyebrows बनी हुई है. See, so you will match them with the eyebrow like this and draw the arrow. Next is eye. Eye, where is the eye? Yes, eyes there, but we have how many eyes beta? 2 eyes. Eye is written, so you can match with one eye. Okay, how many eyes do we have? We have 2 eyes. हमारी 2 eyes होती है ना, 1 2. Next is MOUTH, mouth. You will match with mouth. Where is the mouth? See, this one is the mouth. SHOULDR, shoulder. What is this? Shoulder. Where is the shoulder? Shoulder means kandhe. So you will match the shoulder with the shoulder and put the arrow like this. Done. Next one is arm. Arm means these are our arms. Will match with arm. WAIST, waist. Waist means होती है हमारी कमर. So you will match with the waist. Clear? Next one is HAND, hand. This is our arms and this whole is our hand. So you will match hand like this. THIGH, thigh. Thigh. These are our thighs. So you will match with the thigh. Clear? Next one is KNEE, knee. Knee means these are our knees. So you will match with the knee like this. Clear? TOE, toe. These जो fingers होती हैं हमारी legs की, that are called toes. So you will match with the toe. One toe you will match like this. Put the arrow. Next one is hair. Hair is also the external part, क्योंकि ये सभी external part हैं जिनको हम आराम से देख सकते हैं बाहर से भी. Okay, hair. So you will match with the hair and put the arrow. Next is ear. Where is the ear? See, how many ears do we have beta? 2 ears. So we will match the ear with the like this. Ear. How many ears do we have beta? 2 ears. 1 and 2. So we will match the ear like this and we will put the arrow accordingly. Next one is nose. NOSE, nose. Where is the nose? This one. Yes. How many nose do you have? We are having only one nose. एक ही nose होता है ना सबका. So we will match the nose with the picture like this and put the arrow. Next comes NECK, neck. Neck means our जो गर्दन होती है बच्चे उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, neck. We will match the neck like this and we will put the arrow like this. Clear? Next one comes chest, CHEST, chest. This is our chest, so we will match the chest like this. Next one comes ELBOW, elbow. Elbow means हमारी जो this part here, okay, that is elbow. We will match with the elbow. कोहनी बोलते हैं जिसको हिंदी में हम. By mistake I have put arrow here, you have to put here. Clear? Next one is stomach. Stomach means weight, so we will match the stomach with the picture. Okay. Next one come FINGER, finger. How many finger do we have? Total 10 fingers are there. So it is written finger, so we can match with the one hand finger like this and we will put the arrow accordingly. Next one comes LEG, leg. How many leg do we have, beta? 2 legs, 1 and 2. Yes, so we will match with the part leg. This is our leg. Next one is ANKLE, ankle. Ankle means this part is called our ankle. So we will match with the ankle. FEET, feet. This is our feet. So we will match with the feet.